Okay, this is how we do it. You press the menu first. No, not the menu. You press home and then go to settings down there. To the right, all settings select. And then go down, 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 down. General privacy. Go to the right, accessibility. Select. Voice guide settings, make sure it's off. If it's on, it turns on like that. If you want to turn it off, like that. And then when you're done, how to turn it on, off, it's already off like that. So let's say for example it was already on before, no? Same thing, go to the settings and then select the accessibility. And this one is on, you press the button again. Voice guide off. And you're done. The select is this button. And when you go back home, you go back home.